A children training center is located in Klang, Taman Eng On, called Little Dino Art Studio. It is a training center which provides additional training for children in various aspects. The first course, the drawing class. Drawing is a capacity which consists of psychology, education, behavioral science, art, and other aspects of knowledge. Drawing, as one of the children's programs, it is not simply be like one of the interests or hobbies, but to cultivate a personalized children's thinking and creative skills with artistic charm. Through the careful guidance of teachers to develop children's drawing techniques and aesthetic quality of education in a relaxed atmosphere, so that the children could exert their artistic imagination and creativity without constraints. The second course, Mental Arithmetic. Little Dino Art Studio is applying UC Maths in conducting mental arithmetic teaching. UC Maths is an education course in helping the development of left and right brain of the children. God has given the children a potentially infinite brain. So long as the children were enlightened by the course, their right brain will be stimulated with fabulous. When children are learning with the abacus, they are actually ongoing with a very systematic touching action. As they perform on the abacus, their brains are synchronizing the calculation, and this method has stimulated the development of brain cells. Mental arithmetic trains the children in using their brain with forming a virtual abacus during calculation. The numerical message received from the left brain in either listening or seeing will be transformed into virtual abacus and proceed to the answer. Thereof, mental arithmetic helps to inspire the brain and enhance the ability of thinking, memory, and learning.
来，算起，61加70、25、53、36、98、14、27、40、89、37、65、82、19、40、86、23、50、74、91、3。呀。
The third course, the robotics program for children. Robotic industry is currently the most happening industry, regardless of the domestic and foreign production industries are seeking to learn on this field's efforts. Robots are constantly causing new topics in our lives, such as robots playing football, robot waiter, robot pet dog, and many more. Apart from the competition of various manufacturers, the academic field is even more active in nurturing the talents, and this has formed an obvious way for fashion trends. Little Dino Art Studio is using a well-known Korean robotics curriculum called Robotics, enabling the children in the center with the opportunity to learn about robots program. Many of the parents believe that this course is to let the children play with toys and have nothing in useful. In fact, the perception is terribly wrong. The robotics program requires a severe procedure to help the children in learning science and technology, engineering, mathematics, science, and related integrating. For instance, they have to learn how to assemble a robot, which is training the children in execution and thinking ability, so that they learn throughout the process of assembling the robot. Physical structure and mechanical related knowledge are required in operating the robot. They have to find out the problems and solve it accordingly if the robot or machine is not performing in order. They also have to learn about computer programming in producing their own programming on their own robots. With the guidance under the teachers, Each of the children are required to produce their own program to implement in their robots. By doing so, the children might learn and experience the joy of accomplishment and overcome difficulties by its own. Meanwhile, they learn to be independent as well. The greatest benefit of this course is that the children can learn along with the playing and play along with the learning. Parents who are still thinking about to let their children having extracurricular activities are welcome to visit Little Dino Art Studio. It is definitely the right choice for children in learning extra knowledge.